The following segment is brought to you by Intermountain Healthcare and the Utah Department of Health.
Welcome back. Today we want everyone to have happy, safe holidays, and we have Dr. Michelle Hoffman here, the manager of Healthcare Associated Infections Program for the Utah Department of Health. And if people want to go visit relatives in a living care facility, you just have to be extra careful.
That's right. We really see a lot of outbreaks in our nursing facilities, and it's our largest contributor to the deaths of our loved ones that are living in care centers across the state. And so we've been working hard over the entire pandemic to try to develop policies and procedures that help keep those residents safe. For visitation, the safest option is always going to be a virtual visit.
Right.
And we've been recommending that throughout the pandemic. As you weigh risks and benefits of a visit, you do need to consult with the facility's policies and procedures. We've been working really closely with the nursing home and assisted living community in helping them to develop guidelines that keep things as safe as possible.
I know some of them allow visits through a window.
That's right. The creativity is amazing. Certainly outdoor visits have always been preferred, but that's very challenging in the winter. Mm-hmm. And so, we've worked hard to create guidelines for compassionate care visits for those loved ones who are really suffering from the social isolation. And there are very strict guidelines around how to proceed safely to do those kinds of visits.
Like even quarantining before you visit. Yeah,
and so one of our recommendations for non-essential visitors would be, if you're really serious about getting into the facility and the facility will allow that, then quarantining beforehand will make that much more safe for your resident that's living, or your loved one that's living in a nursing facility. And so think about that, as well as testing beforehand. Testing has limitations. It's only reflecting the day of the test.
Right.
And so some facilities do have access even to rapid testing and may require testing before a visit as well.
Well, Dr. Hoffman, I know you had 6 tips for people if they want to visit. We're going to put the whole list on our website because we're already out of time. But thank you so much for this great advice for the holidays. And go to KUTV.com if you want to see the whole list.
Thank you.